Hi, good morning mo pa nga aga himatan. This is Sagka Towards a Better Future and this is our third unboxing and thank you video for today, May 4, 2026. And this thank you video is for Sir Edwin. So thank you very much Sir Edwin for sending this read at home books. These are small hardbound books for kids. Ayan o. Ang gaganda. And we have four. Ayan na mga story tree houses. Ayan, apat yan. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. So again, this is for the community reading hubs or community libraries na i-open namin or kahit elementary school libraries na pagbibigyan namin ng mga books dito pa rin sa Eastern Samar. I'm sorry. So again, isa-isahin ko lang. This is also a continuing book donation drive. So, ayan, kung may mga i-donate kayo ng mga pre-lab ng mga aklat, pwede kayong mag-comment down below para ma-arrange natin kung paano namin makukuha yung mga books dyan sa inyo. Or kung paano nyo ma-send sa amin. So, ayan o. Ang gaganda ng mga aklat. These are all pre-labs. But look at them. They're almost as good as new. Very glossy pa yung kanilang cover. And halos wala pang mga flaws. Kung meron mang mga flaws yung iba dito are very very minimal. I'm sorry. Sorry po. Wala po kasing ibang tripod na nagagamit. So ayan po. So that would be all for this third unboxing or thank you video. Again, thank you very much Sir Edwin for sending this beautiful books for kids. Ayan. Siya nga pala, we are going to have a turnover sa Ngulos Elementary School sa Giwan Eastern Samar. So unahin na namin muna kasi mga busy pa yung mga schedules both ng admin ng Sagka Towards a Better Future and Bike Scouts B1 kasi yun yung pinakamalapit na area doon sa mga target areas namin for this year na mabigyan ng mga aklat or makapag-open ng mga community libraries or children's mini libraries. So again, thank you very much and good day. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.